Good morning, traders. Let's do a little NASDAQ trading. NQ, or my recommendation is the MNQ, the micro NASDAQ. Remember the risks involved with trading. Trading is risky. Please be very careful, especially when trading the NASDAQ. The software that I'm using is DayTradeToWin software, available for TradingView, which I have the chart up, and NinjaTrader. First thing I'm going to show you is this huge green candle. Market volatility right at the open is something that always concerns me. That's a fake out bar, that large green candle. So traders jumped in long, got stuck, and now the market's reversing with these short signals. You can see that there are a new short signal here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at multiple signals. I want to see more than one short signal, DayTradeToWin software, telling me to sell the market. So I don't want to rush into it. I'm going to speed this up here a little bit to save some time. I am going to post this video before 12 o'clock Eastern Standard, so try to get this out as soon as possible before the day is over. This is live trading. I have a new signal here to go short. This is a sonic signal. The sonic signal is one of my primary trading methods. I also have the trade scalper up and the at the open too, so we'll see if any of those signals show up as well, just to show you what I'm using. And now, since we have two signals here to the short side, I want to say good to go on a good sell opportunity. Every signal needs to be lower than the previous because that tells me the health of the trend. And so whatever signal comes up next should be short, and it should be lower, which I'm looking at the market continuing lower. That fake out right as the market opened, that should be something that everyone is concerned with. Okay, so two signals here to go short. I want to enter short. Both TradingView and NinjaTrader are telling me to go short. I don't need to trade both charts. I'm just showing you because some traders are using TradingView only. Some traders are using NinjaTrader. So I want to show you both charting platforms using the DayTradeToWin software. Have a target, and you should always have a stop to protect you. So please don't ever trade without having a protective stop in case the market turns around, and it will turn around. You will get stopped out eventually when trading. It's just part of the game. So what I want to do here is make sure that my risk-to-reward ratio makes sense, and it does. One of the things I always comment is entering at a better price. You should always try for a few ticks or point better. The DayTradeToWin software gives you these signals, but you don't have to follow every signal. If you have a better opportunity for the Sonic or for the Trade Scalper or for the at the open and you're able to get a better price, always go for that better price. Now, when you first start trading, I always recommend practicing. You can trade one lot, two lots, micros. This target is hit, and now I'm looking for the next trade. One thing very important is that I don't see any long signals because I don't want flip-flop. I don't want to get stuck with that chop. The other thing I see is that the signals are heading lower and lower. I mentioned this earlier. That's important because how healthy a trend is based on these signals being lower. If you see a situation where the market's going higher, then obviously we're going to look for long opportunities and long signals. Right now, I only have short signals. I'm going to show you here the back end of the software on NinjaTrader first, and now on TradingView. And what I want to make sure is that I have all the settings correct. And just to show you a little bit on the settings that we have here, as well as the audio alerts, so we have an audible alert every time there's a signal. Okay, I'm looking for the very next trade. I'm just going to adjust this to 90%. I have a new short signal that is starting to pop up on TradingView. We're going to see one as well on NinjaTrader in just a moment. This is telling me that everything is to the short side, the sell side. I like that. I'm ready to go short. Just give it a moment. I want to see the next signal. And now we have a verified trade scalper short signal. So I want to go short. It's a lower entry. This is very important. And so now I have the risk to reward ratio making sense. This new signal is lower than the previous. I don't want to hold on to a trade for an hour. Within a few minutes, I should see it go in my favor. That's a really good sign that the trade is going and working for you. Everything is sell here. My main software is the Sonic. I have the Trade Scalper, and I also have the at the open. This target is hit, and this is two trades back to back or more if you traded earlier to the sell side. Join Accelerated Mentorship. Join our family of traders. get the software for your charts. We also offer a free member account where you can download some free trials, especially the At the Open 2 now available for a free trial at DayTradeToWin.com. Sign up, join our accelerated mentorship program, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with price action trading with our award-winning software for NinjaTrader and TradingView.